Hey guys, this is Matthew with the creative team at ValCinema Weddings, and today we want to talk about drone footage. Drone footage is one of those things that's really in right now. A lot of clients are looking for drone footage with their wedding videography package, but wonder, what exactly are you using it for? We basically use drone footage to help display your venue location, the local city, and the nearby scenery. Adding drone footage to your video really gives a sense of scale and makes it feel larger since you're adding aerial shots as well as the close-ups with the camera. It's pretty common in the wedding industry for drone footage to be an additional charge type of service. The good news is, with ValCinema, drone footage is always a free service. Now, there are two main restrictions that we have to keep in mind when we're considering drone footage that are out of ValCinema's control. The first is weather conditions, and the second is FAA regulations. In the case of extreme weather, such as rain, snow, or heavy wind, the drone cannot be operated. In this scenario, sadly, we would not be able to capture drone footage for your wedding. But even if the weather forecast shows bad weather conditions, we will still bring a drone and we will still try and capture drone footage if at all possible. The second consideration is your local FAA regulations. There are areas spread throughout the country known as no-fly zones. These are areas regulated by the government to protect safe airspaces and may include airports, military bases, school districts, and even college campuses. If your wedding is located in a no-fly zone, drone flight may be restricted by the manufacturer, and your drone will likely not even be able to take off. Even though these considerations are important to be aware of, it is still very rare that we are unable to capture drone footage for our clients, and we always make it a point to bring a drone with us in case we can capture some kind of aerial footage. So if drone footage is something you're looking for on your wedding day, check out our website at valcinema.com. Thanks for watching.